Revolutionizing AI and blockchain, historic partnership unveiled in a move. Deutsche Telekom, Bosch, and the Fetch.ai Foundation have come together to advance AI and blockchain technology. Deutsche Telekom subsidiary MMS plays a role as a validator in Fetch.ai's network. This partnership aims to transform services by integrating agents and blockchain technology. It promises to streamline processes, enhance security, and improve scalability in sectors such as healthcare and automotive. Through the use of AI-driven agents and the secure capabilities of technology, this collaboration encourages innovation and unlocks new opportunities. Events like the Bosch Connected Experience showcase their potential in Europe IoT and AI Hackathon. Collaboration marks a step in shaping the future of AI, blockchain, and Web3 technologies. It advocates for an ecosystem based on data sovereignty and fair governance practices, fostering innovation and cooperation across industries.